this is Janine coming to you with a very super duper quick video. I am opening up some Happy Mail that I received today, and so I said let me pop on here real quick and open it up on camera. So before I do that, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone's weekend started off well and everyone is doing well so far. So let's get to it. So today's Happy Mail comes from Samantha over at Pink Cash Budgeting. So let's get right to it. Okay. First, let me investigate, see if how I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I will just cut it open and make sure to be extremely careful because I don't want to cut anything by mistake. Oh. This is so perfect. So these are envelopes to go with the envelope challenges. Thank you so much, Samantha. I really appreciate this. I truly do. Because I started stuffing for the envelope challenges and didn't have the envelope to stuff them in. So I really truly appreciate you, Samantha, for sending me these envelopes. So let me pop them into your binder. Wait, it's the 100 envelope challenge first, and then the 50 envelope challenge. Okay, you know what I'll do? I will restuff this 50 envelope challenge with the funds, and I'll just set those envelopes aside, so I'll be right back. All right, and I'm back. So what I will do is unstuff the envelopes to stuff the amounts in the envelope that was just sent, so I go with the challenge and the specific challenge book. So let me just set that aside here. Set this aside, and IOU in here. I owe myself the $9 for the $9 envelope. Okay, so let's unstuff and restuff. So I had envelopes 1 through 8 stuffed, and then envelope number 10 stuffed. Alrighty, so I will definitely use these envelopes for another envelope savings challenge. Okay, set that box aside. just to open up the challenge just so you see. So now, thanks to Samantha, I now have the envelope for the 100 envelope challenge, which I will be brave enough to hopefully start soon. And then the 50 envelope challenge. So I owe myself the $9. And actually, let me take the IOU out of the box, and I'll be able to put it into the envelope as well. Nothing like a nice, fresh, crisp envelope. Alrighty, so let's see. Pop that in there. And actually, I'll pop this $9 IOU in between the $8 and $10. So now I'm official. So this was such a pleasant happy mail to receive. So once again, thank you so much, Samantha, for sending me these envelopes. I truly appreciate it. You're the bestest. And I thank you everyone for tuning in today for this quick video, and I hope that everyone has a great rest of the day and rest of the weekend. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and please consider it if you have not subscribed already, and have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you. Peace.